G'day Australia, I'm Coram E from AudioCom. I've got a really cool little trick to show you today. We have an Android Auto and Apple CarPlay upgrade module that will add Android Auto and Apple CarPlay to any head unit with a screen that's got a video input. So if you've got a really good older audio video unit that doesn't have Apple CarPlay but you'd like to add that, let me show you this little module that will do exactly that for you. And the example I'm going to use here, we've got this cool X-Demo Alpine Toyota LC70 custom fit install kit. This is a pretty cool rig made by Alpine. It's built specifically for the Land Cruiser LC70. There's a few models that it fits, and it replaces the whole dash area. It comes with a new hazard switch to replace the hazard switch that gets displaced after we fit this, and you get to fit a full 9-inch custom system in to your Toyota, which is pretty rad. Let's go back to sort of the radio features. You can see everything there. A really good bit of kit. Gives you a big 9-inch modern system in your LC70, but it doesn't have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto because this is a slightly older unit. We'd had it on display for a little while. Actually, if you want to scoop this up for a rad deal, we'd love to move this display unit on. They're normally about $27.99. We're letting this thing go for probably about 30% off. So under $2,000. Really good value. Come and see us at AudioCom if you want to scoop that up. But let's get back to this little feature that I'm showing you today. So what we've installed here is the little upgrade add-on module to the auxiliary input. We'll select auxiliary input now and go back a screen with this extra little controller. So with the add-on module that we've fitted to the Alpine unit, we've got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto and some extra features as well. It adds an extra USB to this unit, which we've got tucked away underneath here. And that extra USB lets you plug in all sorts of things. You can plug in like MPEG-4 files, DivX, things like that, and play videos by the USB. But most importantly, you've got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Now, it's not directly integrated to the touch screen on here. You operate it with this extra little controller. Now, this upgrade module and this controller will fit and work with any screen, Sony's, Pioneers, Alpines. Your factory screen, if it's got an AV input, like a lot of older Isuzu MUXs do and some D-Maxs, they've got the direct auxiliary AV, video and audio input at the back of the center console. So you can plug this upgrade module into that and get Apple CarPlay and Android Auto onto your factory system. So anything with a screen with a video input, you can run this little adapter. It's just 12 volts obviously, so it needs power, ground, and then its video output connects to your screen and adds Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. You just simply plug in via USB and your phone will link through and display on your original screen, and you can control the cursor with this rotary volume control in the middle, and it's got a voice control button too, and a home button and a back button. So you just hit the voice control when a device is connected. You just simply hit the center button and it will enable the voice control, so you can do all your things like request music, request maps, call someone, stuff like that. So really cool bit of kit. Simply go back to your main screen there, and if you want to resume all your regular functions on your audio unit, you just operate your original audio unit as per normal. You can go back to radios, CD, whatever features that it has. So really good way to upgrade an old AV unit. You might have a really good 9-inch screen in your car like this one and want Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Instead of spending $3,000 on a new one, it's only a couple of $100 for the upgrade module to give you Apple CarPlay and Android Auto on these. We keep these in stock at all the AudioCom stores. You can also buy them at audiocom.online. Have a look at the website there. It's in the accessories attached on every car page, and the vehicle accessories is this little upgrade module that you can get a hold of, or drop into any of our stores and pick it up. In stock in Western Australia. Hope you learned something today, and hope we can help you upgrade an old unit and breathe some new life and some new features into a good old screen that you have, and save a bit of money rather than changing out all the good stuff you've got. Simply just do this little upgrade module to get Apple CarPlay and Android Auto on your existing system. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. We want to see you here again soon.